Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change profile picture on Messenger. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Messenger. Let's say that you have a Facebook account. You don't want to change your Facebook, you only want to change from Messenger. That's also actually possible. Once you open the Messenger app, you'll just land on this page where you just need to tap the three lines icon from the top left side of the screen. Then you just want to tap the gear icon. Now you can see that this is my current profile picture, and if I want to change my profile picture, it's very simple. Just tap the camera looking icon here. Once you tap the camera looking icon, you go to the option called Take Photo if you want to take a photo, or you can just choose from library, so just select choose from library. Or you can select any of the other pictures that you might want to actually add to your Messenger profile, so instead of this. Now adjust through a photo and tap on Done. It will be successfully changed, so it says your Facebook profile picture will also be updated, and this update will not be shared in Facebook, so just keep in mind this will also be updated to your Facebook profile, and once you've done that, just tap on Save Profile Picture, and in your Messenger account profile picture, as well as your Facebook profile picture, will be successfully changed. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.